What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best metal detectors in 2020. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options based on their cost, target identification, operating frequency, sensitivity, search depth, and so much more. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Just like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting with the fifth and undoubtedly the best metal detector in terms of return for value, the Fisher F22. At just a little bit over $200, the Fisher F22 is not only affordable, but also comes with the same set of features found in most high-end metal detectors. Designed as an upgrade to the Fisher F2, this entry level features a durable, weatherproof build that can withstand harsh weather conditions during searches. Its 2.3-pound lightweight build makes it easy to lug around on harsh terrains. In terms of sensitivity and efficiency, this metal detector has 10 adjustable sensitivity levels coupled with an impressive detection depth of 9 inches. Need more efficiency? Well, the Fisher F22 has got you covered with a pinpointing mode. Although the pinpointing mode pales in comparison to the handheld pinpointers in high-end models, it, however, adds to the efficiency of the F22. So how well can the Fisher F22 survive harsh weather conditions? Well, its 9-inch elliptical search coil is waterproof. However, the control box is not, and this might cause inconvenience to the users. The coil's triangular head shape is ideal for separating signals when searching in trashy areas. In addition, the coil covers much search area due to its 7.69 kHz frequency operation. Looking for the right metal detector to help kickstart your search hobby? Well, the fourth metal detector on our list, Garrett Ace 300, is the best option for beginners. At a retail price of $245, the Garrett Ace 300 is an upgraded version of the Ace 250, and it comes with a set of easy-to-use features for both beginners and mid-level detectorists. Want to know its efficiency in searching for relics? Let's start with the Garrett Ace 300's Digital Target ID, which utilizes a numerical scale of 0 to 99 based on the conductivity of the target. No doubt, this system helps to single out metals based on their conductivity levels. Silver, for instance, has conductivity levels higher than 90. This metal detector also provides users with the option of adjusting the frequency levels in the case of interference from Wi-Fi signals or power lines. Unlike the Ace 250, this model had an enhanced iron resolution, thereby making it more effective in screening out iron junks. What's more, it maximizes the searching experience for beginners through the following set of search nodes functions: Zero Search Mode, also referred to as No Discrimination, Jewelry Search Mode, Custom Search Mode, Relic Search Mode, and Coin Search Mode. In addition to these features, the Garrett Ace 300 also includes 3 audio tone levels for revealing the proximity of the target. It utilizes a 7 by 10 inch search coil coupled with a depth indicator to give users more precise information on the depth of the target metal. Let's move on to the third and undeniably the best metal detector for gold on this list, the Fisher Gold Bug Pro. This metal detector is specifically designed to tune out other metals while accurately pinpointing the location of gold coins, pieces of jewelry, and nuggets. Before we proceed, let's discuss the price and design build. The Fisher Gold Bug Pro currently costs $549. This device is no doubt one of the most lightweight yet durable detectors out there. The entire build weighs just 2.2 pounds, thanks to the lightweight bottom shaft section made from carbon. Users of this device have the option of choosing from 3 different types of coils: the 5-inch round DD coil, 5 by 10 elliptical DD, and 7 by 11 elliptical DD coil. The DD coils used in this metal detector provide wider coverage and enables the signal to penetrate the ground evenly for a thorough scanning. Furthermore, the coils are waterproof, so users can search in waterlogged areas and in water bodies without damaging the equipment. However, you should keep it in mind that only the coil is waterproof and not the control box. The Gold Bug Pro utilizes 19 kHz frequency to boost its efficiency in searching for gold. Headphones are not included in the product. Fisher Gold Bug Pro solves this conundrum by providing 2 different headphone jacks for an easy connection to the device. Remember, headphones are important for you to detect the tiniest deviation of the target response. Moving on to second place, the National Geography Pro. the most kid-friendly detector on our list. This detector is specifically designed for optimum durability without compromising on the quality and features. At an affordable price and a 2-year warranty period, the National Geography Pro is an all-round device for family use. Thanks to a light weight of 2.3 pounds, kids can easily move this gadget around different terrains without feeling inconvenienced with the weight. Not only is it compact and lightweight, but users can also easily fold this device to just 22 inches. Hence, it is easy to carry around on long trips. Let's not forget that this device is waterproof and can function in different environments. Curious about the National Geography Pro's efficiency in searching and separating precious metals from trash? First, it comes with 3 detection nodes, which helps kids and beginners to easily sift through trash to get their preferred metal. What's more, it has 4 sensitivity levels, which are quite low when compared to other detectors on this list. However, it is a great tool for kids since it can still find treasures as deep as 12 inches. The pinpoint feature is also a great accessory when searching for precise locations of treasures. Finally, we've come to the last yet best overall metal detector on our list, the Garrett AT Pro. It's no surprise that we have another product from Garrett on this list since the brand is popular for producing top-notch detectors. The Garrett AT Pro is currently sold at $595 and it's designed as an all-purpose detector. The AT Pro is no doubt a durable machine thanks to a rugged exterior and padded armrest for comfort. The AT is perfect for hunting relics, jewelry, and coins. Users also stand the chance of detecting the occasional gold nugget due to a strong 15 kHz frequency. To help boost performance, the AT Pro detector comes with an 8.5 by 11 DD Pro coil. This coil provides a decent all-round target separation. For a more specified task, the Garrett AT Pro offers a range of coils such as the 9x11 concentric coil and a sniper coil. Although the Garrett AT Pro has a slightly heavier weight of 3.03 pounds than other detectors on this list, it comes with a padded armrest to ease the strain of moving the detector. What's more, it has professional-grade waterproof and can operate at a depth of 10 feet. Therefore, the Garrett Pro is not only great for land terrains, but also for shallow lakes, creeks, and rivers. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.